Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run and customize reports in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started. So once you've logged into QuickBooks, you're going to go to the left side here where it says reports. So you're going to click on the arrow pointing to the right, and then you're going to select reports. The report center organizes reports by general subjects. Or if you want a specific report, so what you can do is you can search for it in the search bar over here. You can type it there. So this custom report gives you the date of when the transaction occurred, and then the transaction type. We have invoice or then sales receipt, and then we have the customer, so right there on the left side, and then we have memo and description, and then product or service, so double install, and then CDR door. Now, let's say that you want more dates to be included in the report. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the section here where it says report period, and then you're going to click on the downward arrow, and you're going to select this year to date. And what that's going to do is it's going to give you more dates of transactions that occurred within the year. So let's say that you want to change the name of this report. What you can do here is you can go to the heading of the report. So it says here sales by customer detail, and you're going to see a little pencil. So you're going to click on that, and then it'll allow you to change the name of the report. And now, if you go to the right side here and you select columns, what you'll notice is that there are a few ticked boxes right here. So it can show you the date, the transaction type, the number, and then the product, service, memo, description. But now, let's say that you don't want something specific here. Let's say you don't want the date or you don't want the memo description. What you're going to do is you're just going to click on that. So then it's going to uncheck the box. And then dates, you're going to click on that as well to uncheck the box again. And another thing that you can do here is you can go to the section here where it says more actions. So that when the drop-down list shows, there's some options here: schedule reports, email report, add to management report. So if you want to email the report, you're going to select that. And let's say that you want to save it to your personal computer. You are going to go to the right side here, and then you're going to click on save as. And if we go to the drop-down list where it says export/print, you can export it to Excel, run report and sync data in Excel, or export as CSV or print/save as PDF. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.